this is Heather from HeatherBCo. I wanted to go ahead and walk through my completed spread from July 20th through July 26th. For this spread, I used a Simply Gilded kit, one of the older kits that came on like the cardstock type stickers that didn't have enough full boxes. And if you watch my plan with me, you'll see how I pulled in a couple other things to kind of fill in this space where I didn't have full boxes for every day. Let's go ahead and get started. So my sidebar is pretty much how it was during my pre-plan. On Monday, pretty much the same. I did mark this pre-order. Villabeautifful had a pre-order for her anniversary kit. So this pin came from one of the Villabeautifful kits. I did a Netflix binge. So the little hexagon is from Saucy Stickers Co. The TV is a printable. Netflix binge is from Kinzi. My full box from the kit, I did work. I had a doctor's appointment. This girl is it's the Addie collection from Crafts by Thaowie. I had to go to the post office, so I used this little doily type sticker from Crafts by Thaowie. This is Fox and Pip, and the post office is from my shop. I use this. I got a slushie from Sonic, and I know this is boba tea, but it works for a slushie too. I just pretend that these are little things of ice, I guess. Kind of had a bad afternoon this afternoon, so naughty munchkin and naughty words. On Wednesday, I worked. I did the post office run. Again, this is from Kinzi. The little heart icon is from Simply Gilded. This is from Simply Gilded. The film is a printable from Sincerely Dee Designs. The camera setup is from Crafts by Thaowie on one of her, I have all of her little $2 Tuesday sample icon sheets, so that's what that's from. I had to call the bank because I had some fraudulent charges, and actually I need to call them again because they have not been taken care of, and it's been a week now. I added this little, it was the seal that came with the Serene Seas kit, and I just took a relaxing bath because between this situation right here and this situation right here, I needed this situation right here. So then I ended up sleeping in on Thursday. This is from Print Petitcoat Bandit. The sleep-in script is from Saucy Stickers Co. Work. I did a Netflix binge while I was working. The Netflix binge is from Kinzi's Creation. My husband and I had a quick little date night. We just went and grabbed some food to eat. Nothing special. I now realize I should have scooted this sticker over a little bit, but that's okay. Full box from the kit. On Friday, I used this clipboard. This clipboard is from one of the Villabeautifful kits. This little bow on top is from Simply Gilded. I marked that I did new releases for my shop. This is from Kinzi. And then I wanted to mark that the Simply Gilded pre-sale started on this day. I did some work. Me and my daughter went pick up T-Babs for lunch, which is just a local diner here. I cleaned my office. This is from Glam Planner. This is like old school Glam Planner. I ended up having to go pick up my grandbabies from the babysitter. So I thought that this was really cute. This is Juniper from Simply Gilded, and she's dragging one and holding the other, and this is pretty much how I look. And then we had pizza night that night. Okay, so on Saturday, this full box is from the kit. I used a header right here from the kit. This little desk, I ended up spending the whole day just working on things in my office. So this little desk is from Crafts by Thaowie. I watched Forensic Files while I was working, and then we ended up watching a movie, Girls Trip, Saturday night. So on Sunday, again, Crafts by Thaowie, this little planner. The planning time is a script from the actual kit. I just cut some stickers for myself that I needed, that I was kind of running low on. I did a YouTube binge while I was doing all of that. So the YouTube binge sticker is from Paper Co. And then I had a really bad headache on Sunday, so I used this little girl from Miss Moss. This little bow is from Rose Colored Daze. And then I just used some deco down here in place of a full box because I didn't have a full box. So here's all the washi, and that's pretty much, I did end up adding this. I had this seal from the kit, and then I added some more washi. So that was pretty much the week. And here's your wiggle. It actually looks pretty good on camera with all the different foils. And then here's the rest of the week with the wiggle. So yeah, it was a pretty good week. I had a couple of rough afternoons, but it ended up being a great week. So please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. Thanks.